EZHONG designed and manufactured Easy Rolling Forming System for Lamprell, UAE, which is currently the most popular plate rolling machine type in wind power tower manufacturing industry of the world. This machine can roll DH36 high-strength steel plates with thickness 125 millimeters and width 4200 millimeters, which is an ideal choice for the forming of thick plate and large diameter wind power towers. The 3-rolls full-drive transmission system of Easy Series plate rolling machine provides strong power for the machine, which is a perfect combination of high-strength rolling and high-precision pre-bending. Its performance is comparable to the more expensive 4-rolls plate rolling machine. Easy Series plate rolling machine can adjust the distance between centers of the 2 lower rollers according to the different diameters of the workpieces. In order to improve efficiency and precision, it is equipped with a fast and safe plate centering mechanism and is used with a 35-meter-long electric conveying roller table. The machine is equipped with upper support, left and right support, and automatic deviation correction system. The maximum rolling diameter can reach 12 meters, which can roll 16 to 20 single-section cylinders efficiently every day. In addition, the power roller table is equipped with an adjustable platform, which solves the rolling of the 10-degree conical cylinder perfectly. The foundation construction is simple and saving 30% of the foundation cost compared with similar models. Equipped with EPS system, the synchronization of rollers is controlled by electronic system, and the error is less than 1,000th. EZHONG have manufactured 8,000-ton plate rolling machine with the largest pressing force in the world successfully, and it can roll workpieces up to 300 millimeters thick. EZHONG will always be your reliable partner.